I am Dr. Santosh Kadam, Assistant Professor, Department of English from Ray Shikshan Samsthas Rajastri Chhatrapati Chowk College, Kolhapur. I speak here for B.A. third year for compulsory English. Subject is English for Communication. I have selected from the subject a topic and its name is competitive grammar. Competitive grammar is prescribed here for third year compulsory English. Some types of grammars are there which already we have studied in our 12th standard and also in our 10th standard. But it was not in deep level. The study of that time was not in deep level. The study was only surface level. For the competitive grammar and for the competitive exam, for example UPC and MPC, we have to study every topic of the grammar. It's very deep level because we have to identify which word is correct, phrase is correct, clause is correct. Everything we have to say and everything we have to tell very appropriate and very correct, which part of grammar is correct or wrong. So when we consider here competitive grammar, we can consider here some topics of competitive grammar such as active passive voice, such as part of speech, such as add question tag, such as degree, such as some other discourse analysis, then a particular direct indirect part. So if we consider here all the part of grammar, then you will get the idea how this part of grammar is very useful for the competitive grammar. We can consider here part of speech. For example, part of speech can be divided into two categories. Already we have studied. It means if you want to study part of speech, then we have to study any part of speech in the three criteria according to Ferdinand de Saussure. Ferdinand de Saussure is going to tell here every part of word and every category of word should be studied into three categories such as function, such as structure and such as meaning level. If we consider these three criteria for every part of word, then you will get the deep study of the words. Otherwise, you have no deep study according to them. So everything should be studied within that. Another thing is here part of grammar. This is called the voice. Active voice and passive voice you should understand here. Active voice is going to start with our subject, but the passive voice is going to start with our object of our active voice, but the active voice object is going to become subject in our passive voice. But we should know accurate passive voice of the type of the sentence. For example, if we have the simple present tense, then we have a particular passive voice. If we have continuous tense, we have a specific passive voice. If we have perfect tense, then we have a particular passive voice. Another thing is here we have a particular add question tag. Add question tag we should consider here. Actually, all and everything they are given in the question paper of competitive exam. Only we have to select the correct answer of the a particular correct answer of our add question tag, and this answer should be correct. It means all rules and regulation we should know at a very deep level. Another thing is here which is very useful and which is very important. It is uses of our model auxiliary. This is very applicable and very important part of our study of competitive grammar. Use of model auxiliary, we should understand some structure of our model auxiliary. The structure of model auxiliary is always S plus model auxiliary plus Phi1 plus O. This is a structure of our model auxiliary, and this structure only the useful of this. So these things are very important for our competitive grammar. So thank you so much. Thank you.